Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're looking to solve. The issue at hand is that we have some words within a Google Sheets document that contain URLs or hyperlinks, like RTU and SBCET. The challenge we're facing is extracting these URLs from words like RTU and SBCET using Google Apps Script. Various attempts with custom functions from the internet have led to errors during execution, causing a roadblock in the extraction process. Now, let's unravel the solution that can help us overcome this hurdle. The provided script utilizes RichText functionality within Google Apps Script to extract hyperlinks associated with specific words like RTU and SBCET in the active sheet. By scanning the text, identifying the target words, and retrieving the corresponding URLs, this script efficiently fetches the required information. Building upon the initial solution, here's a deeper look at the functionality of the next script. This script focuses on excluding certain words, like RTU and SBCET, while retrieving URLs from other text within the sheet. By checking for valid URLs and avoiding the specified words, this script ensures the extraction process is optimized for the desired outcome. Continuing our journey of resolving the URL extraction challenge, the final script handles a specific scenario where hyperlinks need to be retrieved from a different location within the spreadsheet. This script is tailored to retrieve URLs from a predefined range of cells and then populate another set of cells with the extracted hyperlinks. In summary, we've explored a progressive series of scripts that leverage Google Apps Script functionalities to extract URLs from specific words within a Google Sheets document. By utilizing rich text values and custom logic, we've tackled the extraction process efficiently and effectively. Cheers to successful URL hunting in your Google Sheets. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Let's keep the tech talk going on the channel.